Ta-da! This is gonna be our breakfast. Hello everyone! Good morning! And today we are going to make steamed rice noodles for breakfast. And someone is here to say hi to you as well. Uy! Ta-da! Say hi to everyone!
Hi everyone!
Good morning!
Good morning!
Why do you have two shoes on your hands?
It can Robbie Young.
Again, Robbie Young. Oh, you're like Robbie? What is Robbie po?
Robbie is a cat.
Huh? Robbie is a cat?
Yes.
No, Robbie is not a cat.
Robbie, what is it now?
Robbie is a cat now. Alright, so you're the same with Robbie. Alright, you pretend muna with Robbie. You pretend to be like Robbie muna. You play with Robbie po muna. Okay? Mommy will prepare breakfast. Okay? Alright po? So today I decided to try making steamed rice noodles because it's quite been a long time. And just so you know, it's already been like a year since we got here in the Philippines. It was May 2024 when we got here with my husband and my daughter, and now it's already the month of July 2025. So there's already a lot of things happened, and I wasn't really able to continue vlogging that much. I was able to edit some of our old videos, but I wasn't able to make new ones, and that's why I'm trying to make another one today. And yeah, welcome back. Yes, you can po, but you just gotta be careful when you go in po, ah. Ano po yan? What do you want to do? You want to put on your shoes? Is this shoe on guys already so small? You don't have to wear it na.
It's okay, Mommy.
Oh my goodness. Kating-kating na po yan lumabas at hindi makalabas at ano na nga, 2 linggo na nga naulan ng ulan. Kanina sinasabi sa kanya, can I go to the playground? I wanna go to the playground to play. Oh. Eh, sabi ko, umuulan pang hindi naman covered ang playground. So, ayun. Kawawa, nabubugnat na dito sa bahay. At pinull out niya na yung kanyang stroller. At nagsuot na ng sapatos. So here, still the same thing. I do the cooking, I do the cleaning, do most of the things at home. I focus on taking care of Leo, teaching her things, which is my primary goal naman, kung bakit kami bumalik sa Pilipinas. Eh, kasi nga, ang hirap na ako yung parang nagre-rely sa sahod ko doon sa China, sa teacher. Kasi mas higher siya kumpara kay Habi. Eh, mag-focus pa ako kay Leo. So, parang super pagod ako, super na naging sakitin ako. Though, sakitin pa din naman ako ngayon, pero hindi na siya ganun kalala kumpara nung nandoon ako sa China, na parang weekly nilalamig ako, weekly parang tinatrangkaso ako. Ngayon, at least si Habi na ngayon yung nakakapagtrabaho. So, siya na yung magre-rely na muna kami sa kanya, and then ako focus muna ako kay Leo. Ganun muna sa ngayon ang aming ang aming setup. Ayun. So yan, ihalo-halo ko ng lahat ng mga ingredients. Supposedly, magkakaiwalay yan, like pork and mushroom, and then carrots and corn, or carrots or yung green beans. Pero since kami lang naman kakain, at hindi naman ako magbebenta, so halo-haluin na natin. You wanna try it? You wanna go inside there? You wanna go out, go here? You wanna cook as well?
Yeah.
But Lily is inside her stroller po, Pangga. You look good. Why are you sad? And then you go here, you push, use your 2 legs to push yourself. Come on. You can do it. Kulit mo eh.
Later.
Ito po ang kinalabasan ng aking pag-experiment. So, nakagawa na ako ng 2 mixture, pangalawa na to. Pero, okay naman siya. Though, feeling ko yung mali lang kung paano ko siya lulutuin. Kasi nga hindi nga siya flat. Pinatong ko lang tong pan na to dito sa kaserola. And nakaslang siya. So, hindi siya nagsisting ng maayos kasi sumisingaw. And super kapal na ito din. Super kapal din nito. So, kailangan talaga, painitin mo talaga tong pan muna bago ilagay yung mixture. So, I did that. Pero, since hindi nga siya flat, parang mas maumbok yung center niya. So, lahat ng mixture sa gilid lang. So, anong nangyayari? Kailangan ko siyang pakapalin in order na, siya, talagang lumapat siya sa pan. Ang pangit ng Kaya yun, ang kapal, yung iba makapal. Tapos, hindi naluluto maayos yung flour. Kaya, ayun. At least na. Now, I'm gonna boil some water. And then, I'm just gonna cook noodles. But nice try. It's alright. At least, nalaman ko na kahit simple lang siya tignan, still, mahirap pa din siya. Okay, our breakfast is served. Lunch na. Breakfast na naging lunch. Ay, nako, epic fail. And then a lot of things happened as well. Ta-da! This is gonna be our breakfast. It's rice noodle with the stuffings I made earlier. And then I put some peanut butter sauce with soy sauce. Did you wash your hands na po? Not yet. Go and wash your hands na po, please. Malag. Go na, pwede na. Wash your hands na po. Put on your slippers and wash your hands. Are you okay? Oh, gusto mo sinigin. Kaya ma. Alam niyo ba kanina, magluluto ka dito kanina ng rice noodles, nung nag-steam ako. Andun siya, kinuha niya yung mga paintings na doon sa may maliit na parang aparado na yung katabi. And then, kinalat niya yung mga paintings niya. Nagsuscoop siya ng mga paint. Tapos, hindi niyo ma-imagine, grabe. Naiyak na ako sa lagay na to. So, ang rason kung bakit natagalan din ako kasi naging hysteric na din ako kanina. Ang daming paint doon na nakakalat. You already wash your hands na?
Tastes good.
Tastes good? But that is a taste good, oh.
If they have a fried egg, it will be very perfect.
You want fried egg? Ayun, for fried egg. Dali na, we're gonna eat na. Mami, yung fried egg na po. Careful po kasi. So, nga may pulang paint dun sa mat. Tapos, yung katawan niya, puro din ng white paint. Tapos, ay, grabe yung damit niya din. Ay, napapagawa na. So, ano ko din siya, na-wash ko na din siya. What to say po? How to ask nicely po? Ano po? Ano spoon lang po? How to ask nicely po? How to ask nicely po? Fork po. Mami use the chopstick. Ay. Sayang kanina din nyo nakita pero tama na din. Kasi grabe, nakakaloka. Alam mo yung first time mo na nga lang ulit na magpaka-busy. Or, hindi naman busy naman talaga ako. Pero I mean yung, you're gonna vlog it, stuff like that. Tapos nangyari na yung mga ganung bagay. Pero, ayun nga, buti hindi nyo na din nakita, okay na din yun. Kasi grabe, parang bigla akong na-stress ng buka. Nakakaloka. Pero I know, it's normal. And, ganun talaga yung maganap sa totoong buhay. So, we're gonna eat first. I'm gonna cook fried egg muna kasi nag-request yung isa ng fried egg. You still want more sauce? Did you mix it na po?
Huh?
Did you mix it na? Careful with your clothes po. Oh. Do you wanna put on your bib?
Yeah.
Buyong na. Okay. Gonna cook your egg na. Wait lang.
Ayun, Mami, super egg.
How was it, Pangga?
Good.
Tastes good? Do you like egg, Lolo?
Yeah. You cook egg muna, Mami.
Ano po?
You cook egg.
Do you like egg?
Yes.
It really tastes good.
Really tastes good?
Yeah.
Let's try. Try nga. Kung legit na masarap.
Mami, put the egg.
Wait lang po. Mommy's not cooking it po. Okay, hidang ma.
You like that?
Tastes good.
I eating on the table.
Can I have one more?
Huh? Okay.
There's Lulu's egg. Wow. Oh, careful with the egg. It's a little bit hot po, ah. Let me give.
Look, Mommy egg.
Hmm?
Look, Mommy egg.
Mommy's egg is here. Tostado.
Wow.
Na may pagka-runny pa. Wow. Perfecto. Perfect! Okay, let's eat. Kain po tayo.